how to redeem Robux code or how to redeem your Robux code or the Roblox gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Business, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your Robux code or the Roblox gift card. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. First things first, it's quite simple. You want to head into your device onto any of the browsers that you want. I'll just open up Google Chrome in my case, and at the search bar at the top, what you want to do is you want to type in roblox.com/redeem. So make sure to type it correctly, roblox.com/redeem. So you want to go to it. There it'll ask you to log into your account. You want to log into your account that you want to redeem your code on. Once you're logged in here, you can see here you'll get the option to enter the code here. Simply enter in your code, tap on redeem, and it'll get redeemed to your account. To check which account you're logged in on, you can tap on your profile icon there at the top there, and you'll be able to see your profile there. So this way you can redeem Robux code or to redeem the Roblox gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.